In this video, we are going to understand and discuss about a very important type of probability called as conditional probability. See, when we say conditional probability, see, the name itself tells what we are going to talk and discuss about. Conditional probability. So, you are going to understand the probability of an event happening or not happening based on a particular condition. In the sense, one particular event could have happened. Based on that, what is the probability that the second event can happen? Something like this. Okay, so this is what we call as conditional probability. You might think of a lot of examples. Like practically, if you look at it, if the price of the fuel goes up, then the price of the rest of the things, like for example, milk or vegetables, everything is going to go up, right? So probability of the fuel price, or you can say the probability of the price of the milk going up, depends on the change in the probability or change in the price of the fuel, correct? So one event depends on the other, right? One event depends on the other, and that too, probability of one event given the other event has happened. This is conditional probability. Say for example, we have two events. Say you have A and B. Two events are there. You know, probability of occurrence of A, given that B has already occurred. Like for example, what is the probability that the price of the milk is going to go up given the price of the fuel has gone up? This is conditional probability. Make sense? Or you can say, what is the probability that the price of commodity is going to go up, provided that implication or GST has already been applied on that particular object, given something has already happened. So when you say P of A given B, see A given B, that means B has already happened. B is done. Provided B is done, what's the probability of A happening? This is what we call as conditional probability. Now see, conditional probability and compound events, they might sound very similar, but they are not actually speaking. Okay, now compound events are different and conditional probability is different. Compound events says that one event, next to it one more event, next to it one more event, like it keeps on going. Whereas conditional probability tells you that one event is going to occur given the other event has already happened. So in this case, P of A given that B has already happened. So we represent this as P of A given B. Okay, P of A given B. Now, how we are going to mathematically do this one? That is when we say P of A given B, this is going to be P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So this is the formula what we have for conditional probability. Fair enough? Or in other words, we can also say that n of A given B, that is number of items, if you are calculating, then this can be written as n of A intersection B divided by n of B. This is one more formula we can use sometime so that you guys can get the answer for it. Fine. So this is conditional probability. That means one event has happened given the other event has occurred. Fine. Now, based on this particular formula, there are certain, I could say there are certain definitions and certain things which is based on this conditional probability. Okay, so we'll look into that in the next video.